welcome back to my channel. This is Joita, and if you are new to my channel, then I do make videos related to makeup, fashion, lifestyle and skincare. Today I have thought of doing a video which is quite close to my heart. It's about a sari, how you can wear your sari with grace and totally rock it. So as you can see, I have already worn my sari, which is a pure handloom linen sari, and it's really very comfortable during the summer. And you know, Kolkata's weather is full of humidity, so you feel so hot over here. And I hope that you have watched that video of idea Garam Lagche. I just literally love that video because I feel the same, Garam Lagche. Anyways, so thank you for them to making such a funny video. I literally love them, and I can totally connect with the video. That's why it's quite an inspiration from that Garam Lagche. So I hope that you will be liking this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for today's video, I'll start with prepping my face, and I'll be using a Rose Illuminating face mask. It is from Good Vibes. I'm currently loving this skincare brand because this got no parabens, no sulfate. This is cruelty free, and I am totally loving this. This is affordable, and these were on heavy discount on purpose, so I got them. So let's start it. So I'll start spraying. I'm feeling a fresh rose and hydrated. The smell, wow. It's not the smell, it's the fragrance. I'm so sorry. You instantly feel so fresh. Today my skin is feeling a little bit oily and little irritated, so I'll not be using any moisturizer. I'll jump straight to my favorite primer, which is the Colorbar Perfect Match primer. In most of my videos I use this primer because I'm obsessed about this. It is non-oily, non-sticky, and the makeup sits on it so good. And somehow it gives you a moisturization too. Now I'll let the primer sit on my face at least for 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'll be applying my foundation. For today's look, I'll be using Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. This got a big name, anyways. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. I'll take 2 pumps. This foundation is almost finished because I have used it so much and so many times. So I'll be using my fingers and point some dots onto my face. This foundation is quite liquidy, so you have to blend it carefully. Let me tie my hair. So I'll start blending the foundation. I'm using the Nykaa Beauty Blender. Currently it's looking a little yellow, but trust me guys, it's looking because of the light. It is of my shade, so don't worry about that. Now I'll set the foundation with Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 310. I'll be using the sponge given with this compact and gently press it on the skin. Always dab the sponge, don't drag it. Maybe your foundation can move from the place or the primer, so better to dab it. Now I'll be using Ashley's 5 Concealer Palette. I'm in the shade 02. I'll be using this shade right here for my under eyes as well as the eyelids. Now I'll be using my Sigma Kabuki brush and we'll be blending it. There is a yellow powder in this palette and I'll be using this for setting my under eyes. Now I'll be sculpting my cheeks and gives a dimension to my face with the help of Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. I'm in the shade C04. It is for the light or the medium skin tone. I'll be using this contour shade right here and we'll be using my contour brush. For nose sculpting, I'll take the brush just like this, make it a little bit slimmer and then we'll sculpt my nose. Now it's the forehead time. Always use some contour shade through your hairline because our foreheads are usually darker than our face and it gives you a natural look. And now is the baking time, and for that I'll be using my Colorbar loose powder and it gives you a flawless airbrush finish and I'm in the shade 02 Beige Classic. I'll take a little amount onto the lid. I'll be using my 8 sponge and with the help of that I'll be using this. Now I'll let this baking rest on my face for 5 minutes and now I'll be moving on to my eye makeup. My eyes are already primed and I'll be starting with the Kohl pencil. It's from Oriflame. I'll try to line just roughly through my upper lash line. For today's eye makeup, I'll be using my giant makeup box by Oriflame. Just have a look on this. This is quite close to my heart. This is so pretty. See, it looks like a small vanity. It got lot of eyeshadow shades. Wait a minute. Yeah. So this is the makeup box looks like. These all are eyeshadows. This one is blush, this is for the under eye setting powder, these two are highlighters, this is also another highlighter, and these all are lip glosses. These two brushes are useless, so just there is no use, but I quite like this palette. Whenever I travel I just usually get this into my bag, and yeah, I'm done for all the eye makeups, all the looks. So I'll be using this palette today. I'll be using this shade right here from this makeup box as a transition shade. Pigmentation is okay. I'll not say that highly pigmented, but yeah, it's good. Today I'm doing a very subtle smoky eye. It's not a heavy one and you can wear it for every day. Yet it looks quite gorgeous. Now I'll be using this dark brown shade from this makeup box and we'll be using through my lash line. I'll be using this green shadow just on the center of my lids, just to add some pop of colors. Now I'll be taking a fluffy blending brush and we'll be taking the transition shade again and we'll blend the shades all together. Now I'll be lining my lower waterline with the same kohl pencil from Oriflame. Now to smoke it up, I'll be using this green shade right here and will smoke the lower lash line. Now is the time to brush off the loose powder, and I'll be using my big powder brush and will brush it off. Now is the lash time, and I'll be using my curler to curl it up. It's also from Oriflame. For the mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara, and it literally gives you that fan effect. If you are not a falsy person, please prefer wearing this mascara because this is just a wow one. I'll be moving on to my cheeks again, and for that I'll be using some rosy glow to my face, and I'll be using this shade right here as a blush onto my face. Now comes a favorite part of mine, which is the highlighter, and I'll be using this highlighter from here and will add it onto my cheeks. This highlighter is very subtle. Now is the Juicy Fruity lip time, and I'll be using the Lakme 925 lipstick to color it up. I'll be using the shade Wild Berry Wednesday. This is a gorgeous pink shade. I'll be using a lip gloss and we'll be adding this shade of lip gloss to my lips. So the full face makeup is done, and I'll be using a bindi now. I'll be using this bindi, this one, and we'll be using the black one. And the makeup is done. Now is the hair time, guys. So I'll be doing my hair and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I have done my hair. As you know that my hair is permanently straight, so I haven't done nothing much on it, and I have just used some serum onto it and just combed it, and it's looking wow. I'm quite liking this. And if your hair is not permanently straight, you can go for a temporary straightening for this look, because this is going perfect with this look. And now is the jewelry time, and I'll be pairing a colorful kundan jewelry. This is with semi-precious stones. Look at this jewelry. This is so pretty. This one is gifted by my Pona auntie. She is a soulmate of mine, and she is basically a jewelry designer. If you want to contact her, I'll definitely give the details of her in the description box below. So if you want to buy such products, I mean the such gorgeous, you know, semi-precious stones designer jewelry, so you can surely contact her. And yeah, I literally love this piece. I have so many pieces from her, but this one is my favorite. This is so elegant. I just loved it, and this gives you a pop of color to my black linen saree, and it has some, you know, green paisley onto this, so that's why I am pairing this up. So let's wear this. I have already bought the earring from this set. It's a beautiful one. I love this one. It instantly changes the look. Yeah. It got a bracelet with it. This is also with the semi-precious stones, and I'll be wearing it onto my wrist. See, I have wore it, and this is very simple and very pretty. I hope that being a Bengali, I have justified this look and also your love for makeup. So if you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up. Share this with your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, whoever you know, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and help me, support me to grow. And also don't forget to tap the bell icon to get all the latest updates from my side. সবাই খুব ভালো থেকো, দুর্গাপুজো আসছে, প্রচুর স্কিন কেয়ার করো, মেকআপ করো, নিজেকে খুব ভালো রাখো, হাসি খুশি থাকো। Until next time, take care and bye bye.